Meet your new stress buddy. Our ultra-soft, squishy toys are here to melt away your daily stress. Just squeeze, squeeze, and watch them bounce back. Slowly, pure, satisfying, calm in every touch. Cute designs, safe materials, perfect for kids and adults alike. Grab yours now and squeeze the stress away.